Alright, we got Derrick here. He's going to crack open 2 boxes preferred. Good luck.
I always try to just stop and keep our eyes open. The big show up here that comes, I guess it comes twice a year.
3 times. You actually just missed it.
Yeah, we saw it, and, I think he's probably going to want to try to come sometime.
Hold on.
It's usually worth a trip up. I mean, it's probably $4 or $5 trip.
It's a big show. There's not a lot of packs, open boxes, and all of that stuff. There's a lot of singles, a lot of autograph signers, mainly for stuff like that. There's a lot of vintage. I can't speak for what's there for,
Hey, Derrick.
and stuff like that, because I'm always here at the store when the show's going on.
Derrick, am I your boy?
You're getting 200 tables. It's a lot of stuff. I would say it's probably worth it.
Alright, we got Oladipo, Carter Williams, Burke, the Greek Freak, Olnick, and Adams. First autograph, Xavier Henry, NBA Pride. Number to 20. I mean, I can't believe what I'm about to show you guys. Torrey Murray, purple, number 225. Yeah, Derrick. Dinner's on you next time in New York. Danny Green,
Thanks for stopping in.
Yes, sir.
Take care.
number to 15. Jody Meeks, number to 49.
What collection? Someone had a little hoard of him.
A John Solomons, number 249.
I'm just getting something out. See if I can read any and all that fun stuff.
Damn. Holy crap.
Holy crap, Kyle Lowry?
No. Derrick.
Do we get another one?
Yeah, well. How about Rookie Silhouettes Prime, Michael Carter Williams Redemption?
Ooh. Oh. No.
Silhouettes Prime, Michael Carter Williams Redemption.
I mean, best box of cards ever, maybe? Right here?
It's 2.
I see the other one.
No, it was 2 boxes.
Oh, okay, okay. Is it the same thing?
Nice.
Just don't even. Oh!
1 of 1. The second one we've pulled.
Just absolutely.
We pulled D Wade. Now we've pulled Timmy.
Hello.
So again, we saw possibly one of the worst cases of preferred earlier today, and now you just saw 2 boxes. I don't know, $3,000, maybe.
Pretty dang good.
Derrick, unbelievable! Congratulations, my friend.